Planning is the closest to guaranteed success from the start of anything. Welcome to 2023. My name is Victor Kweji, your business success coach and consultant. And this glorious brand new year morning, I come your way with the business building blocks, episode 1 for 2023. Now, thank God for the blessing of being alive at the start of the new year, another year with a clean slate and exciting possibilities and potential. If 2023 is going to turn out well for you and me, we have to be intentional about it, because guess what? Success is intentional and never accidental. It must always start with goals and a deliberate plan to help us achieve them. The truth is, without a goal, how can we even evaluate our achievements? It is our singular responsibility to develop a plan for all aspects of our life, our mental, physical, or body, as well as our health, spiritual, professional, business, and career, financial, social, etc. Seek help in any of these areas if you need one. Assuming you already reviewed the past year, your goals for this year could build on the outcomes of last year's. If not, you have the clean slate to capture or write down your goals for this year. Here are 5 basic and easy steps to help you do just that. Number 1, where do you want to be by the close of 2023? The end game or goal in mind for each area of your life. Number 2, purposefully set goals that pass a SMART test. They must be specific, they must be measurable, they must be achievable, they must be relevant, and they must be time-bound. Number 3, how do you plan to achieve your set goals, and what do you need to help you to execute each one of these plans? Do you need professional advice? Do you need training? Do you need workshop? Do you need to read some books on the subject? Coaching and guidance, time. Do you need time? Do you need resources? Do you need support? Extra. Number 4, what could be the obstacles and how are you going to navigate your way around them or manage them so they become your stepping stone? Number 5, what are the rewards for achieving each goal and how will they make your life better? Yes, clearly state them. It is very important and it's very motivational. You will be surprised how your vision will become clearer and inspire you to start the year wisely and with more motivation and clarity. This can be applied to every aspect of our lives, our career or business. Now, if you need help, reach out and let me help you devise your plan for 2023. Before we go, please don't hesitate to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And I've got a very exciting news for you. As a business coach and consultant, I've helped many start and grow their businesses. If you need help, please do not hesitate to reach out and let's set up an appointment, get things going for you. Secondly, and very importantly, we have an exciting news for you. We're going to launch the Business Building Blocks podcast coming soon. This year is going to be exciting, very informative, very educative, and I'm going to share with you a lot of stuff in more detail. And I hope that you subscribe to it and share with all your network. And finally, if this year one of your goals is to become a published author or an author or a writer, this book writing workshop I've put together for you, it is yours to take advantage of. I have written 13 books, published 8 so far, ghostwritten so many books, helped so many other authors write their books. It is your turn. I want to share my secret and my tips with you. And I want to hope that you will take advantage of it. Do not let it pass by. Thank you once again, and I look forward to an exciting new year ahead. Thank you, and God richly bless you. Please don't hesitate to subscribe to the YouTube channel, share with your network, and let's get the year going, running.